Hi everyone, I am Altu Galip.
I'm Alp Galip and we are Galip Bros.
We are traveling around the world and create visual contents.
Now we are in Sri Lanka to discover natural, historical and cultural beauties of the island. On this episode we are climbing 200 meters to the top of the ancient rock Sigiriya and gonna see what is around. Sigiriya or Sinhagiri is an ancient rock fortress located in the northern Matale district near the town of Dambulla in the central province of Sri Lanka. The gardens of Sigiriya are one of the examples of the world's oldest historical gardens. As much as Sigiriya is a World Cultural Heritage Site, the surrounding forest is a natural heritage site with a high biodiversity. Three distinct garden types are found at Sigiriya: boulder gardens, water gardens, and terrace gardens. The water gardens are the most intricate garden form at Sigiriya. Reptiles may be a bit bigger than you have seen before, but don't be afraid.
On the way to the top, you should be silent and careful because of the wasps.
And don't forget to wear a hat because of the sun. There is a beautiful weather. Are you ready to climb? You can see many kinds of animals, but don't forget that feeding is prohibited. Hello. Welcome to ticket control. Thank you. There are mirror wall and frescoes along the way you're climbing up. Unfortunately, it's not allowed to take photo and videos of those frescoes.
It's a picture on the head.
Yeah, sure. The lady was talking about the GoPro on my head. And now we just completed the half of the way. The meaning of the word Sigiriya can be broken down as Sinhagira or in English Lion Rock. The shape of the rock is truly a resemblance of a sitting lion. You can see lion claws at the entrance.
Only you.
Hello.
Yeah?
To be honest, I seriously have acrophobia. It's fear of height. I also scared of paragliding.
Yeah.
Hadi be teyze, yedin bizi. Finally, we arrived to the summit of Sigiriya. Here is amazing 360 view of sky and green surrounding of the Lion Rock.
According to the ancient Sri Lankan chronicle, the Kulavamsa, this site was selected by King Kashyapa for his new capital. He built his palace on the top of the rock and decorated its sides with colorful frescoes. On a small plateau about halfway up the side of the rock, he built a gateway in the form of an enormous lion. The royal palace was situated on the summit of the Sigiriya Rock. In the center of the palace is a massive rock-cut throne. The garden area of the summit is a combination of water, terrace, and boulder gardens. The palace and the great lion gave a powerful expression of royal authority. The name of this palace is derived from this structure. The capital and the royal palace was abandoned after the king's death. It was used as a Buddhist monastery until the 14th century.
If you want to take drone shot at the Sigiriya, you should know that you cannot get it closer more than 200 meters. At the top of the Sigiriya, there are so many monkeys around. If you have food, they can steal while you are busy with taking photos. The Toku macaque is a reddish-brown colored old world monkey endemic to Sri Lanka, where it is known as the rileva or rilava. The most delicious banana I have tried in my life was the Sri Lankan bananas, especially small yellow ones. Sigiriya was one of our most excited trips in Sri Lanka. That's why we chose Sigiriya for our first video.
Hello. Yeah? Wow.
Visiting Sri Lanka is not only seeing a historical place. There are amazing historical, architectural and natural beauties, nature walk, climbing, a bit of wildlife.
Sigiriya today is a UNESCO-listed World Heritage Site. It is one of the best preserved examples of ancient urban planning.
Hi everybody, thank you for watching us.
If you like our video, stay tuned and keep watching next episodes of Sri Lanka.
And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.